Look at what came in today. You don't need to see that. You just need to see this right now. Doing a nice little t-shirt. Let's get to the fun stuff. Look at that. Carbon fiber M3 style side mirror caps. It's funny how something so small can make such a difference on the car. These look sick. The GT is getting ceramic coated and all that right now, so Santiago said he would skip the mirror caps and wait for me to get these in so I can come in and install them. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to shoot, but just to make everything make sense and to not come back and do this again, I went ahead and just ordered these off Amazon. So yeah, 2 birds in 1 stone today. Sequential smoke blinkers. You guys seen this before. Enough talking. Let's head to the shop and let's get to it. So we made it to the shop. I got our lights, I got our mirror caps, got some trim tools, got my T10 and a microfiber. Let's do it. Here's a shot of the stock mirror. After you pop the glass out with a trim tool, wrap it with the microfiber so you won't scratch your paint. Unclip the mirror back through the 3 holes corresponding to the clips on the inside of the mirror back itself. Unscrew the 4 T20s to hold in the blinker. Wiggle out the old blinker, unplug it, pop in a new one, and put it back together. Just getting home from ceramic detail. Shout out my man Santiago for letting me come into the shop to do the install. They even polished my OEM mirror caps. I didn't want to film too much. They were doing paint corrections on a couple other cars, so it was a little loud. So I just filmed what I could. The sequential blinkers from Amazon came with this trim tool, as well as a T10 if you didn't have one. They just finished with the paint correction, which looks awesome by the way. This was a super easy install. Popping out the OEM light was a little bit tight. Folding in the mirror made it a lot easier. Just with a little bit of play, it came out. Real carbon fiber fades in the sun, and the PPF has UV coating to protect it, so we're gonna be protected right out the gate. These make the car look so much better. Thanks for tuning in to another F34 video. Please like and subscribe for more F34 and F-Series content. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace and love.